Hello, do you want to generate money online but aren't sure how to get started? Don't worry, I'll show you a way to make money that is 100% guaranteed. This method is completely legal, and it does not necessitate any technological knowledge. In only a few minutes, I'll show you how to guarantee your passive income stream without doing any difficult work. This strategy is very comprehensive, so you can apply it regardless of where you are in the world. This is also 100% free, which means you don't have to spend a single penny out of your pocket. With the strategy I'm about to reveal, you may easily make over $1,000 per month by simply putting it up once. You don't have to put up any money. Isn't it fantastic? So make sure you don't miss a single step in this video, or you risk losing thousands of cash that could have been yours. Before we begin, let's have a look at the video. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Mangles will be the first website we use. Go to your browser and type www.mangles.com into the address bar. Mangles is a collection of simple SEO tools designed for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small and medium businesses, and agencies. Keyword research, rank tracking, social media marketing, and backlink management are all included. Don't worry, you won't have to do any difficult job now. With the strategy I'm about to show you, you can start making a lot of money in only a few steps. What this website basically does is help with the SEO. Search engine optimization, that means where does your website ranks on the search result, how likely people are to visit the website, and how easy is it for them to discover it. Now you can go ahead and explore the website for a better understanding. I want you to go to their affiliate program by scrolling down. You can earn up to 30% commissions through their affiliate program by referring others. That means that if someone joins Mangles through your link, you'll get a 30% commission on the plan they choose. As it shows on their website, the average monthly payout is around $487. If you scroll down, you can check out their plans and their commission from them. You will earn $20 per person from a monthly premium. Assume you get 50 people to click on your link. That means you'll be able to earn $1,000 per month indefinitely. For monthly basic, you will earn $14. So if you can get 100 people to click on your link, you can make up to $1,400 per month. Sounds amazing, right? You only have to do the task once, and you'll have a steady source of revenue. That way you can establish a great passive income stream for yourself and can make money with not much effort. The 3 steps to earn money through Mangles are: First step, register. There is no approval process for registrations. Once you have the free Mangles account, you automatically get access to the affiliate section. Step 2, promote. We have prepared highly engaging promo materials. You will find codes with your unique affiliate ID. Just share it and start earning. Step 3. Get 30% off every recurring payment. Once you reach the minimum threshold of $150, you can request the payout. Payments are made via PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account ready for this method. If you don't have one, you can quickly make one by going to paypal.com. I want you to go to start a 10-day free trial and create your account. You will need to fill in your email and password and click Create My Mangles account. And there you have it. If you go to the affiliate program, you will be given a unique affiliate link that you will be using to get people to sign up to Mangles. Now, I'll show you how to use Google to persuade folks to click on your affiliate link. On the internet, there are billions of websites with millions of different businesses. Every company strives to appear at the top of the search results. SEO is the most essential factor in how websites get ranked on the internet. As a result, you can choose any company organization as your target. Let's say you want to select a vet clinic, and you can choose any city or town you choose. Take, for example, a Boston vet clinic. You'll get multiple results. You don't have to pick the top or second result anymore because they've already done everything right in terms of SEO. You may, however, scroll down and select as many websites as you want from there, as well as from different pages. And all of these websites will provide contact information. All you have to do now is contact them and inform them that they can increase their website position by using Mangle's SEO services, along with your Mangle's affiliate link. Write them a good email that is professional looking, and explain to them how Mangle's has aided 500,000 plus people in flourishing their business with the SEO, and they can help them as well. That's all there is to it. Those companies are already searching for ways to improve their website. You have aided them while simultaneously earning a substantial commission. I want you to go out and find new businesses and get them to join Mangle's. You can choose restaurants, hair salons, clinics, etc. You will receive a 30% commission for each referral. So what are you waiting for? Join now and say goodbye to a life of struggle while achieving financial independence. If you loved the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let us know what you think.